Yeah, hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see a marketing cloud account engagement specialist certification maintenance summer 24. Okay, so how can a marketer bypass opt-in status for important non-marketing messages sent from engagement studio? Ask the system administrator to turn on operational emails setting. So, which content types can be generated with the Einstein in account engaging? So, forms and landing pages will go for E. Next, so how can a marketer use a customer email integration data to create audience segments in account and engagement emails? Will go for C. So, how can a marketer copy marketing assets from sandbox to production business units? Okay, and use API version 5. So what is the time increment option in engagement studio? We'll go for E, 2 to 8 hours, or we can define the number of days. Done. Check the quiz. Done. So we completed. So marketing cloud accountant engagement specialist certification maintenance summer 2024.